let's do the welcome on the vlog.
We're going to Himalaya.
And today is the 7th of May and it's 5:35 a.m. So we started the trip at what time, Robbie?
We started at 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
1 a.m.
And it's 5:30 and we have already crossed Chandigarh Panchkula, and now the toll plaza is coming ahead and the foothills are just about visible. Let's get closer and take a closer peek and head to Kasauli.
Gorgeous, look at that. Mountain tops. Oh, beautiful picture.
तो भाई अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 9 और मैं सो गया था. हम कसौली पहुंच गए थे. वी रीच्ड एट 6:40 एंड उसके बाद भाई थोड़ी सी वॉशरूम ब्रेक ली. देन आई पार्क द कार एंड आई डोज्ड ऑफ एंड रॉबी हैज़ गॉन फॉर अ वॉक. मैंने कहा भाई आप जाओ, आप वॉक करो, एक्सप्लोर करो कसौली. तो गाड़ी में मैं अभी उठा हूँ सो के एंड अब भाई मैं जाता हूँ और मैं देखता हूँ रॉबी क्या कर रहा है एंड देन लेट्स एक्सप्लोर कसौली अ बिट. तो भाई यहाँ पर मैंने गाड़ी खड़ी कर ली थी और यहाँ पर मैं सो गया था. ओके सो वी आर आउट एंड अबाउट. हम निकल चुके हैं भाई गाड़ी से और अब बजे हैं ऑलमोस्ट 10 एंड अब हम जा रहे हैं एक छोटी सी वॉक पे इनसाइड द कसौली कैंटोनमेंट एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स.
Himalayas.
Finally we made it, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, it was your lifelong dream
Finally.
to see the Himalayas.
Trees.
Yeah.
Big trees. Monkeys. Goats. Baby deer.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Look at this little rascal. The next trek is even better, bro. Look, people still carrying hay bales and stuff.
Where?
They're carrying hay bales.
Where is that? Down?
Oh, well,
Yeah.
It's a spy cam, man. How can you see so far? Technology.
Yeah, technology. Yeah. Taking us, Robbie.
To the microwave station.
The microwave station. It's not the military one. It's the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. So it's like a public domain station by the civil government. So we are not trespassing or breaking any laws here.
We are going to
Just
see
FYI.
the Himalayas. Sauli.
That's the microwave station for you.
No, not here, bro.
That's the station, bro.
We go this way.
Yeah, we go that way, but I'm telling you. Yeah, see.
Look at this view. My goodness. Oh, amazing, bro. Let's keep going.
Yes, let's keep going.
Make sure you can handle it. This is the Himalayas enough of a week.
Certainly not. Breathtaking views.
Absolutely.
It's called breathtaking views because they take your breath away. See, like I'm already, heavily breathing heavily.
It's how it
So that's why it's called breathtaking views, because I'm unfit now. Yeah. I need to train hard and get back to my athletic resting heart rate. Yeah.
Look at this, bro.
Oh.
World class. Wow.
Let's ahead. Go ahead. So these rocks are all natural because people walk on them and this path has been created over many folds, many years. So the rock formations have turned up. Otherwise, they are always covered by grass.
Wow.
Wow.
Very cool. Very cool. Look, bro.
Yes.
These are the guys I saw before. They're beating us. I saw some ideas. They're so pretty.
Oh, it's a mountain goat. It's an ibex.
It's a baby goat.
Oh, wow.
It's a kid.
It's an ibex.
There's many down there as well. I saw like free.
No, but this is a perfect, moment, bro. You're standing on top of a rock.
I tell you, bro, this is the best trek because it's proper nature. There's no substitute for real nature, bro.
Oh, there's another one here. It's a barking deer, guys. Wrong call. It's not an ibex. False alarm.
Very cool. Yeah, it's a little deer and it's not good.
But it's a barking deer. It's a special variety of deer. Wow. So beautiful. Robbie? It's us. See?
So cool. Baby deer. That's panoramic. The Himalayas.
So we have reached this lovely viewpoint. एक बार भाई चल के देखते हैं कि कैसा व्यू आ रहा है यहाँ से. Got to be careful. La la la. La la la. Oh, there's a trail which goes to the edge of the ridge. ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. उत्तर माउंटेन में यही है, जहाँ देखो ना भाई इतना सुंदर लगता है ना. Like every single angle, every degree is a view, a beautiful view. There is Robbie. Robbie! Yeah, my man. These are the langurs. These are not the monkeys.
Dangerous.
These are they're super dangerous.
Attack monkeys. Or they're fighting each other. Training ground. Who will be the strongest langur? So good, bro.
But you know, all these bridges and all, they're made by the army.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Wow, so before there was no bridge and people would have to...
Yes, correct.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's so hard. Can't even do it.
Tell me something. What if, imagine if we do this kind of a trek every day? How fit we will be?
Superman, bro.
Superman. No, not only Superman. Like we'll be really, like it's so healthy and yeah, exactly. And here you feel there's no laziness because the air is so fresh.
Unlimited stamina.
For example, in Delhi, we feel lazy, we feel sleepy.
Free.
Here there is nothing like that. The air is so fresh.
Ultimate.
Yeah. This is basically the source of fresh air, fresh water and everything. And just the sheer beauty of all of it. Bhai, I'd like to show you that this is a very good project by Ant boat. So it has a foot pedal and it's a bin. Very nice. All alongside the trail there are multiple bins. So Robbie, we have a saying in Delhi.
Oh.
What the saying goes like, this kind of clean air makes us sick and ill because we are just so used to the polluted air of Delhi that our lungs, they feel suffocated in clean air. OG Genset. It's so rare these days. Yes, we have almost finished our little hike. It's been about an hour, 2.5 kilometers. This was the microwave station. And the Gilbert Trail is the name of the trail. Let's go. तो भाई अब मैं पहुंच चुका था फेमस सनसेट पॉइंट ऑफ कसौली. ये यहाँ मैं लास्ट आया था एक बार लकी भैया, हेंसी, आदित्य एंड अभिषेक भाई के साथ. एंड यहाँ पर एक फेमस फ़ोटो है लकी भैया की, मैं डाल दूँगा. ऐसे कूदते हुए उनका बर्स्ट शॉट लिया था मैंने. सो दिस इज़ द सनसेट पॉइंट. तो वही बादल आ चुके हैं, मौसम ने करवट ले ली है. हल्की हल्की बूंदें भी मेरे ऊपर गिर चुकी हैं. अब देखते हैं भाई कब आती है बारिश. और भाई ये देखो इतना सुंदर घर है यहाँ पे. ये बाय द वे आर्मी का नहीं है, ये प्राइवेट है, बट ऑब्वियसली बिल्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश इन समवेयर अराउंड 1850s. कितना सुंदर है भाई. 2 little chimneys. Such a beautiful house. भाई इतनी तेज बारिश होने लगी ना एकदम से, जब मैंने बोला कि करवट ले ली है मौसम ने, और अब देखते हैं कि टाइम की बात है बारिश कब स्टार्ट होगी. और एकदम ही भाई बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई है. देखो भाई इजी रेन भाई. तो भाई ये देखो, दिस इज द वेवरली हाउस ऑफ द आर्मी. 1850 इट वाज बिल्ट इन 1850. कैन barely spot it from here. What a beautiful house. तो भाई दिस इज द famous Church of England. As you all can see, it was established in 1844. And this is the beauty. It's like the Victorian architecture, Abhi. You can see.
Crazy. How did they build this? Photography is really funny.
So here we are at the famous heritage market of Kasauli. Ta-ta-da. स्वीट्स अभी आएंगे दवाई लेके. तो भाई अभी हम आए हैं नरेंद्र स्वीट्स पे, जहाँ का जो बन समोसा वो सबसे फेमस है. तो यहाँ पे खुशवंत सिंह ने भी लिखा हुआ है. देखो खुशवंत सिंह जी का आर्टिकल है. देखो भाई टिक्कू जी भी आए हैं. बादल उमर अब्दुल्ला, सुंदर बल्ला. So भाई the chai is also here, the famous chai. They started actually with the chai. And this is the bun गुलाब जामुन. तो इसके अंदर भाई इन्होंने बन में गुलाब जामुन डाल दिया है with चाशनी. This is ultimate.
Very cool.
तो भाई guys, this is really amazing. Something next level, out of the world. Bun and gulab jamun, two simple things make such a nice combination. Amazing. And only they do it. मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा है. Melt in mouth है भाई, बिल्कुल melt in mouth. तो भैया finally we have come to Dochi Coffee House and Pizzeria. Let's see how this is. There's a wood for the wood fired pizza.
It's the cleanest place.
There's the oven. Let's see. So this is a mixed berry shake which has just arrived, and as per Robbie it is delicious. Fresh berries right from the hills.
Make it best.
So guys, the showstopper is here, the wood fired pizza, the farmhouse special with all the vegetables right from the gardens of the mountains. It looks really delicious. Robbie, how does it look?
I think
Smells amazing, right?
straight from the farmhouse.
Yeah. Let's dig in, guys. तो भैया गाड़ी खड़ी करी थी देखो. So भाई फाइनली रेन थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है एंड वी आर गोइंग इनसाइड द चर्च. मैं यहाँ पे काफ़ी बार आ चुका बट फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम गोइंग इनसाइड. वाओ, लुक एट द ब्यूटीफुल आर्किटेक्चर. Let's check it out.
Go inside. Bye bye Kasoli. Until next time.